Morning all. Thought I'd have one or two games this morning. So I'm just below 2200 playing on 1976, and okay, Sicilian defense accelerated. I'll play C4, I think, given I'm not forced to play knight C3. So C4 is binding that D5 square. Okay. Actually, I wonder about knight D5 here. Would that be any good? Just to block the queen from getting over, exchanging off a couple of pieces. I think. If knight takes E4, knight E7, okay, knight D5. I hope I haven't blundered here. It looks okay. So can I use that C file? If I put the rook, the F rook here. Right. Now, that looks juicy for the C file for an infiltration on C7. Maybe queen, where's queen C3, just to get the queens off, try and dominate the C file. Doubling up rooks. Right. So the queen wants to come over to H4. I think I might play G3 first, actually, and then queen C7. I'll be attacking D6. So if the queen flees here, I suppose it could go to F6. I could take on B7. There's no entry point on F3 at the moment. I've always got bishop F1s anyway. So if I take on B7 though, rook B8, so maybe B3 first. So I'm hoping I'm threatening to take on B7. So rook C8, queen takes, takes, that's okay. Aha. Now rook C6 here. D6 is on the fire. Could dominate the C file now. Or I think I'll do that. I'll dominate the C file. So rook C8, queen. There isn't queen D6. Hack attack time. Okay, how to proceed here? Queen B7, rook C7, rook, bishop A6. I'll lose. What about rook C3 to F3? That might be interesting. Using that third rank. And there's queen G5. It's not yet on C1. Right, so if I take here and play king G2, let's just bishop F1. If I just play bishop F1 for a moment, is that too dangerous as bishop F3? Okay, I could just take, or just F3, maybe it's F3. Don't want to lose too much time here. Bishop F1 here. I'll go back to G2 soon. I might take actually two rooks if queen C8. Got the H file potentially. So is the opponent. Okay. He's not really going to threaten. Rook H8x, queen D6 surely. So I might be able to. Queen G5 is coming on D2. So what about? Oh dear. So rook takes D6 here. Is that dangerous? Queen D2, probably. I think my queen's a bit stuck actually over there. actually, just to threaten rook d6. I'm imagining now rook h8 and queen h5. I might have to run for it with king f2. If I take on d6, queen h5, king f2, this rook's being protected by that one. It's not happening here, is it? Okay. Make a run for it. I hope. We're attacking the queen. Queen g3 is protecting e5. That's a shame. Rook c7. Don't know. I think I might be in trouble. Oh, it's queen f6. Hang on. Queen g3, queen f6. That looks dangerous. That protects f4 anyway. I think I need to play that. Queen g1. Probably king d3, queen d4. So queen g1 looks actually more dangerous. Whoops, he didn't play that. So maybe I'm a little bit out of the woods. Still queen g1's dangerous. There's rook f2, I suppose. I was taking off 7 here. Right. So if I go back to f6 here, or actually rook h2 takes, mating over there on g6. Bit of an inaccuracy there. I think he had better queen g1. So I'm just about over 2200 again. So he takes queen g6. If it goes there, then rook g6 or queen g6. But here, this is getting dangerous. Check. So queen g1. Oh, my chips cooked here. Queen g1, rook f2. Queen e1, rook e2. Queen g1, king d3. Now queen d4, king c2. As long as I vacate c2, maybe a king can go to c2. Oh, maybe it's okay. Yeah, I don't know. Interesting game. Accelerated dragon. I played this c4 move now to try and exploit Black not playing knight f6. Gives me a free hand to play c4 without losing e4, technically. Yeah, bit of c-file pressure, but I had to cope with a kingside attack here. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.